good day to you. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, sir. My name is Emily Araboca, 34 years old, single mom. I have two daughters, 15 years old, 13 years old. I have one sister, one brother. I live in District 1, Benito Sullivan, Isabela. I am high school graduate, sir.
Okay. Can you tell me your work experience?
My work experience, sir, in the Philippines has made 5 members, 1 couple, 3 children, 17 years old, 14 years old, 7 years old, cleaning the house, cooking, ironing, washing, and taking care of 7 years old.
Okay. In your previous employer, how would you take care of the children, especially when sick?
When baby is sick, I will check the temperature. If the baby is sick, I will call my employer. Sir.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
Yes, sir. I'm honest, hardworking, responsible person, sir.
Okay. Do you have any tattoo?
None, sir.
Do you have surgery or serious sickness before?
Yes, sir. My 2 daughters is cesarean, sir. 13 years ago.
Okay. Do you have an allergy to certain food?
None, sir.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, sir.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I want work abroad, sir, because of high salary given to domestic helper. This way, I can better to help my family in the Philippines, sir.
Okay. If you get hired, who will take care of your children?
My parent, my sister, sir.
If you're homesick, what would you do?
I focus to my work, sir.
What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
I usually sleep around 10 p.m. Wake up around 5 a.m., sir.
Okay. Are you the one who do the cooking and marketing at home?
Yes, sir.
Sometimes kids are super active and they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
I will be patient and calm.
Okay. Do you accept no day off but to be paid instead by your employer?
Yes, sir.
When you visited the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help and do the housework there?
Yes, sir.
Can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, sir.
Are you willing to share a room with kids?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
I finished my contract, sir.
Okay. Can you cook Chinese food?
I'm willing to learn, sir.
Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, sir. Sing a song, accept. Baby, baby, yes, papa. Eating sugar, no, papa. Telling lie, no, papa. Open your mouth, ha, ha, ha.
Okay, what is your message to your future employer?
Good day, ma'am, sir. Good day, ma'am, sir. Hope.
Okay. What is your message to your future employer?
Good day, ma'am, sir. Hope. Good day, ma'am, sir. Hope you select me as your helper. I am hardworking, honest, and responsible person. I promise to serve your family with all my best. Thank you.